started back in the late 70s, wheelbarrow, small mixer, and a lot of ambition and a good banker. My first ready-mix truck had an auxiliary motor on it, bags of cement. The neighbor down the road wanted 2 or 3 yards, and then his neighbor down the road wanted 2 or 3 yards, and it kind of grew from that. Now the boys are involved in the business, and I've got 3 grandsons that hopefully will come along at a later time and have interest in it.
These are chutes, and you add these chutes on so that you can get the concrete farther away if you have to reach quite a ways.
The ready-mix business is real time sensitive. You have to have your truck sequenced properly, get to the job on time. We've always been a stickler for service and quality. Contact has really been good for us as far as the equipment side of it. From the top to the bottom, their service department is excellent, their parts department is excellent. The positive feedback that we've had from our contractors is when you are discharging, the controls are exceptional, and the mixer fin is designed to where you get an even flow. Oh, I think our relationship with Contact is extremely strong. If someone was thinking about reaching out to Contact and interested in their product, I would say absolutely. I don't think there's a better mixer out there.